Lung cancer. Lung cancer develops in the lungs, where millions of tiny air sacs pull oxygen from the air and push it into the blood. Cancer here begins when one cell stops following the normal rules of growth. It divides again and again, forming a cluster that slowly becomes a mass. That tumor takes up space, blocks airflow, and forces the surrounding tissue to work harder just to do the same job. The tricky part is that the lungs have very few pain receptors, so a tumor can grow quietly for months before monkey feels anything unusual. A cough that lingers, breathing that feels just a little heavier, energy that fades faster than before. Because the lungs are working every single second, any damage here quickly affects oxygen delivery to the whole body. And by the time those ordinary signs feel serious enough to investigate, the cancer has often already had months of silent growth.
Brain cancer. Brain cancer develops in the brain, the 3-pound organ that controls every single thing monkey does. Movement, memory, emotions, speech, even heartbeat and breathing. That location is exactly what makes it so uniquely dangerous. The skull is a closed box with no extra room inside, so when a tumor begins growing in brain tissue, it does not just replace cells, it pushes against everything nearby. A tumor near the speech area can affect how monkey talks. One near the visual cortex can change what monkey sees. Pressure on the frontal lobe can slowly alter personality, mood, and decision-making in ways that are confusing and frightening. Even small tumors create pressure fast, leading to headaches that do not go away, confusion in simple moments, or subtle changes in who monkey is. And because operating near brain tissue carries enormous risk, every surgical move could permanently affect something important. Limited space, critical functions, high-risk treatment. That combination is what separates brain cancer from almost every other disease. Liver cancer. Liver cancer develops in an organ most monkeys never think about until something goes wrong. But the danger is in its silence. The liver has very limited ability to signal pain, so cancer can grow quietly for months while monkey feels nothing more than occasional tiredness or a vague heaviness in the abdomen. Monkey can clearly see the 3D diagram of the liver with TeachMeAnatomy, making hidden structures visible in a way textbooks can't. Their exam-relevant question bank helps you go deeper, turning silent organs into lessons you can actually master. Get 15% off using code MONKEY15. Link in description. By the time clearer symptoms appear, fatigue, discomfort in the upper abdomen, yellowing of the skin, significant weight loss, the disease has usually already advanced.
Pancreatic cancer. Pancreatic cancer develops in the pancreas, a small organ hidden deep behind the stomach and surrounded by other organs. That hidden location is exactly what makes pancreatic cancer so dangerous. In its early stages, the pancreas produces almost no obvious pain signals, nothing alarming enough to investigate. Meanwhile, the tumor grows silently, sitting close to major blood vessels that allow it to spread quickly once it reaches a certain size. By the time symptoms finally appear, back pain, weight loss, yellowing of the skin, the disease has often already spread beyond the pancreas itself.
Blood cancer. Blood cancer is different from most other cancers because it does not form a solid tumor in one place. Instead, it begins inside the bone marrow, the soft tissue at the center of certain bones, the factory where every blood cell in the body is made. When those cells become abnormal, the problem is not contained to one organ. It spreads everywhere blood goes. Because blood travels through every part of the body, the disease affects everything simultaneously.
Bone cancer. Bone cancer develops inside the living tissue that gives the body its structure. Cancer disrupts that cycle from the inside.
As tumor cells multiply within the bone, they weaken its density and stability, degrading the structural integrity that normally makes bones strong. Pain is usually the first warning sign. What begins as a dull ache that monkey might blame on sleeping wrong or overdoing exercise gradually becomes persistent and harder to ignore. Over time, the bone weakens so much that fractures can occur from forces that would not normally cause damage at all.
Skin cancer. Skin cancer develops in the skin, the largest organ of the body and the only one fully exposed to the outside world every single day. What makes skin cancer unique among dangerous cancers is that its early warning signs are visible to the naked eye. Monkey can literally see it happening. That advantage makes early detection genuinely possible, but only if monkey knows what to look for and actually looks. Ignored long enough, certain types of skin cancer can spread through the lymphatic system to other organs. At that point, the visible advantage is gone, and treatment becomes far more difficult.
Stomach cancer. Stomach cancer develops in the stomach. Early discomfort, feeling full after small amounts of food, mild indigestion, a vague ache in the upper abdomen fits the description of dozens of harmless, everyday issues. Meanwhile, the tumor continues growing. Digestion gradually becomes less effective, appetite fades, and symptoms become more persistent. By the time they are unusual enough to prompt proper investigation, the cancer has often already reached deeper layers of the stomach wall or spread to nearby lymph nodes.
Colon cancer. Colon cancer develops in the colon. Cancer here usually begins quietly, as small abnormal growths called polyps along the colon lining. These polyps produce no symptoms for years while they slowly transform into something more serious. That is the concerning part. The hopeful part is that polyps are detectable through routine screening long before they become cancer, making colon cancer one of the most preventable cancers that exists.
Kidney cancer. Kidney cancer develops in the kidneys, a pair of fist-sized organs sitting toward the back of the abdomen. When cancer forms in kidney tissue, it tends to grow quietly, without producing obvious symptoms. Blood in the urine may sometimes be the first noticeable sign, but it can appear and disappear, leading one to hope it was nothing. A persistent dull ache in the back or side, or unexplained fatigue may eventually follow, but often only after the tumor has already reached a significant size. In many cases, kidney cancer is found only by coincidence during scans for unrelated reasons, by which point it has already had years of silent growth.
Lymphatic cancer, lymphoma. Lymphoma develops in the lymphatic system.
Lymphoma begins when those immune cells start growing abnormally. Instead of protecting the body, they multiply in ways that disrupt the very system they are supposed to run. The immune system begins working against itself. Swollen lymph nodes in the neck, armpits, or groin are often the first visible sign. Persistent fatigue, night sweats, and unexplained weight loss tend to follow. Because the lymphatic system connects to virtually every tissue in the body, the disease can spread widely and appear in multiple locations at once.
Thyroid cancer. Thyroid cancer develops in the thyroid, a small butterfly-shaped gland at the base of the neck. Despite its size, this gland has enormous influence over how the body runs. But when it goes undetected and spreads beyond the gland into surrounding lymph nodes or distant organs, it becomes significantly harder to treat. Early signals worth noticing include a lump in the neck that can be seen or felt.
Esophageal cancer. Esophageal cancer develops in the esophagus, the muscular tube that carries food and liquid from the mouth down to the stomach. When cancer forms in the esophageal lining, the passage gradually narrows. At first, solid food feels like it moves down more slowly. Then it starts to catch partway. Eventually, softer foods and even liquids cause the same sensation.
Bladder cancer. Bladder cancer develops in the bladder.
The most common early sign is blood in the urine, sometimes bright red, sometimes only visible under a microscope. When ignored or detected late, the cancer can spread into the muscle wall of the bladder and then to other organs, making it much harder to treat. And even after successful treatment, bladder cancer has a particularly high tendency to return,